Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can loop a YouTube video. Alright, so this method works on both the website as well as app. So whichever way you're using it should be perfectly fine. I don't know why YouTube doesn't have like an option over here for like loop or something, which is kind of weird because I feel like that feature is used quite a bit. But there is a workaround luckily, and this is how you do it. So first what you want to do is create a playlist. So once you create a playlist, add this video into that playlist, you're able to loop that playlist, right? So you have to do that extra step. So I'll show you guys right here. I have this random video I selected, right? Let's say I want to loop this for whatever reason. I would press save and press new playlist. So let's just call it loop. I'll be private. I don't need to share it with anyone. And then create. So once it's created, you can see over here playlist created. I'll click see list. Oops, okay, so it disappeared. You can either press see list, or the other way is to actually go to your channel and then go to the playlist from there. So let's go to the channel, view channel, playlists, and loop. So I'll select it. Now you guys can see over here on the right hand side there's this new option over here, loop, and then it has a playlist. So this is the playlist name, and all the videos in that playlist will be displayed over here on the right hand side. So what we want to do is enable this loop playlist. So once it's enabled, now let's play the video. Let's skip it to the end and it should automatically restart. So right there, so it finished and then it restarted. Let's do it again. Right there. So you can set this, it will loop, I believe, indefinitely, right? So it's pretty simple to do, right? Luckily, hopefully in the future YouTube will just come out with something over here where you can just select loop on or off, similar to this autoplay. But for now, this is the way we have to do it, and luckily it's not too difficult. So yeah, give it a try. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you're having any trouble, definitely let me know. I'd love to help you guys out. Other than that, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.